Hey friends, are you encountering the issue where Valorant is stuck at zero point 0.1 kbps installing, which is basically negligible? In this case, you can try the following solutions. The first solution is through the Task Manager. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager application. Now, go to the Details tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to the Riot process. You'll find this one, Riot Client Services. Right click on it and select Set Priority, change it to High. Click on Change Priority. Right click on Riot Clients once again, Priority High, and change it for all of the Riot clients. I'll do it one by one and even the last one. Once this is done, you can check if it is helping with solving the problem, but if it does not, then the next solution will be to kill all of these processes and try once again. So to kill all of the processes, search for Task Manager once again and open the Task Manager window. You'll find the Riot client here. Right click on it and select End Task. Once this task is dead, you can launch Valorant once again and try to install it. But if this doesn't help either, then the last solution will be to restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then click on restart. I hope this was helpful. Please let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.